Welcome to Trinzy Trades, and thank you guys for following. I want to do a quick video here on Euro Aussie. For everyone who's playing Forex and follow me on this channel, I want to bring your attention to a setup that I believe could actually work out really well. Currently, as we speak right now, just so transparency is 100%, we are currently sitting at 1.469. You can tell right here on the right-hand side. And I'm going to keep this on my charts so we can see how this ends up playing out throughout the week and obviously into next week as well. We are currently on the 15-minute time frame. Ticker symbol EURAUD, so you guys can follow along with us. A couple things that I'm looking at right now. The first thing is our linear regression channel. If you guys follow me on this channel, you will know that the first indicator that I like to look at is linear regression to tell us the overall market direction and trend, if we're trading bullish or bearish in the market, or in this example, if we're kind of just going sideways and consolidating, what I want to be looking for. Now, typically when you are in this pattern, when you're just consolidating back and forth in the previous 300 candles, which this indicator is set to, this is going to take into account of the last 300 candles on your chart, and it'll go ahead and give you the linear regression input, which will actually tell you which direction you're going. So right now we're kind of just trading back and forth. And you can tell when we get down into these green buying zones down here, when this color gets stronger green or stronger red, this does indicate a nice area in the market where you want to either be looking long or going short. So right now, we do have a sell signal that is illuminated. This is on the 15-minute time frame, but I want to draw your attention to this bottom dashboard indicator to kind of give you a better understanding of what I'm looking at. And then we'll go ahead and put on the support and resistance indicator to kind of get an idea of where we could potentially be heading to the downside if we continuing in this pattern. Now, you guys, the first thing I like to look at is, one, are we in this top red section or bottom green? These are great areas to be able to look at green as accumulation or adding to your account for a push to the upside. When we get into this top red area, just as we've almost done here, this does indicate typically that you like to see a sell-off in the market. So that's one of the things I like to look at. Second one is this white line. This white line actually will represent the money that's flowing in and flowing out of the market. So when this is flowing out of the market, the price likes to follow suit when money is flowing into the market. You can tell obviously the price is increasing as well. The last one is this middle band, and this represents overall market momentum. So when this turns to red, you can go directly straight up. This means that the price is going to be decreasing. When this is going to green, this means bullish market momentum. That means increasing. So that's why I like to look out when I end up trading with these indicators to say, all right, where's our overall market momentum? We're kind of trading sideways. We have our white line, money movement, heading lower. We had a red dot, which is another key EMA crossover in the market, and we've got a sell signal illuminated. So my overall directional bias opinion on this Forex pair right now is actually going to be playing to the short side. And I want you guys to leave comments below and let me know what your guys' investment strategy is on this, but mine is actually going to be going short. Now, this could be a play that you could hold for a couple days. This could be for a few minutes, but let's do something real quick while we're on here, and let's take a look at support and resistance. Let's go ahead and enable this on the bottom under inputs, and let's go ahead and take off signals, and let's go ahead and take off the lines as well, just so we can get a cleaner picture of what we're looking at. So if we were to go directly left and just expand this, what I like to look at is where's the strongest next level of support in the market that you could potentially be playing this down to be taking profit. And the strongest level of support, just looking left, is right around this area here. So if you look directly to the right of the screen, that's 1.465, which would actually indicate quite a bit of move on this Forex pair. So if you are looking to go short on Euro Aussie, this could potentially be a great entry for you guys to play out. Now, I am going to mark this on my chart, and I'll do a follow-up video on this in a few days to see how this ends up playing out. But I want you guys to understand the technical analysis on what I'm looking at, how I'm using these indicators to spot these entries into the market to become more successful. Again, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I will address every single one of them. Have a great day, and thank you for following.